Hello friends, I am Dr. Itishree Swain from Mathematics Department. Welcome all of you to our MKD education. Today we will discuss about the geometrical meaning of the scalar product and the angle between two vectors. We study about the geometrical meaning of the scalar product. First already we discussed what is. Suppose this is vector A and this is vector B. So, whenever we find the scalar product, it is equal to A bar dot B bar, that is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos theta, where theta is the angle between A bar to B bar, which we measure in anticlockwise. Now you see, suppose I draw a perpendicular from A bar on A bar. Suppose this is point is M. Now you see OMB, this is a right angle triangle, and OM, it is the projection of B bar on A bar. ये वेक्टर का प्रोजेक्शन ये वेक्टर के ऊपर ये है तुम्हारा OM. जब ये ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड है, सो OM rather it is the scalar projection of B bar on A bar. Now you see, now we find OMB, it is a right angle triangle, and from this right angle triangle already we find OM by OB, it is equal to cos theta. So what is OM? OM is equal to OB cos theta. And what is OB? It is the magnitude of the vector B bar into cos theta. So here, whenever we define the scalar product A bar dot B bar, it is modulus of A bar, and in place of modulus of B bar cos theta, we can write it is OM. And what is our OM? It is the scalar projection of B bar on A bar. So here I can write A bar dot B bar, it is equal to modulus of A bar into the scalar projection of B bar on A bar. So from this relation we find the scalar projection of the scalar projection of B bar on A bar, it is equal to A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar. So this is the scalar projection of B bar on A bar. Now you see, if we find, suppose this is our A bar and this is our B bar, and if I find the scalar projection of A bar on B bar, then you have to draw perpendicular from A to B. Now suppose this point is N. Here also we can define the scalar projection of the scalar projection of A bar on B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar by modulus of B bar. So this is the geometrical meaning of the scalar product. Now you see, if I find, since it is A bar and this is B bar, and we find, suppose this is M, and if I find the vector projection, you see the direction of OM is along the direction of A bar. So if I find the vector projection of B bar on A bar, then it is equal to, here we find OM is the magnitude of the projection and the direction along the vector A bar. So it is equal to, it is denoted by A bar dot B bar by A bar into the unit vector of vector A. So it is equal to A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar, and unit vector already we represented by vector A by modulus of vector A. So it is equal to A bar dot B bar by square of the magnitude of vector A into vector A. So this is the vector projection and this is the scalar projection of B bar on A bar. So this is the geometrical meaning of the scalar product. Now we find a problem. Find the scalar and vector projection of the vector 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 6k cap on the line joining the points 3, 4, minus 2, 2, 5, 6, minus 3. So first friends, we find the vector joining the points so the vector joining the points 3, 4, minus 2, 2, 5, 6, minus 3 is 5 minus 3 I cap plus 6 minus 4 j cap plus minus 3 plus 2 k cap. So it is equal to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Now we find the scalar projection of vector 2 I cap minus 3 j cap minus 6 k cap on this vector, that is 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. So it is equal to the scalar or dot product of these two vectors minus 6 k cap dot 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap by the modulus of this vector, that is the square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So it is the dot product already we find, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. So it is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 into minus 1 by, here it is root over of 9, that is equal to 3. So it is equal to 4 minus 6, that is plus 6, so it is equal to 4 by 3. So since you see that this is the scalar projection of this vector on this vector, and scalar projection means only you have to find the magnitude. Now we find the vector projection. So the vector projection of the corresponding vector, that is equal to, here you see we find whenever already the magnitude already we find. Now the direction along the direction of this vector. So what is your vector projection? It is equal to 4 by 3 into the vector 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap by its magnitude. Already we find it is 3. So it is equal to 4 by 9 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap, which is equal to 8 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 4 k cap by 9. So friends, this is our scalar projection and this is the vector projection of this vector on this vector. Okay. So now we find the next discussion, that is the angle between two vectors. Here from the definition already we find A bar dot B bar is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. So what is theta? Which is the angle between two vectors? So theta is equal to cos inverse A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. So this is the angle between two vectors A bar and B bar. Now using this formula we find one problem. So you see the question. Find the angle between the vectors 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap and another vector 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap. So we take our A bar. So now we take, suppose our vector A bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap and vector B is equal to 2 I cap plus, it is minus 3 j cap plus k cap. So if I take the angle between them is equal to theta, then it is equal to A bar dot B bar by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. So it is equal to 3 into 2, the dot product. Already we discussed this. 2 into minus 3 minus 1 into 1 by the modulus of A bar, that is equal to 3 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square into vector B modulus, that is equal to 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 1 square. So it is equal to, it is theta is equal to cos inverse. So it is equal to cos inverse, that is 6 minus 1 by, here it is 9 plus 4 plus 1, that is root over 14, and here also it is root over 14 and 6 minus 6 cancel. So it is cos inverse minus 1 by 14. So this is the angle between these two vectors. I think you get all the clear idea about the scalar projection, how we find the scalar projection and vector projection, and also the angle between two vectors. So you can find the scalar projection and vector projection from the scalar the product or dot product from the two vectors.